Leftover dumplings, let's transform them into something extraordinary with your air fryer. Golden crispy badam dumplings cradled in a fluffy egg blanket. Line your air fryer with foil and give it a light spray of oil. Arrange those leftover dumplings in a single layer. No need to thaw if they are frozen. Another quick spray of oil helps archive that perfect crispness. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. That's when the magic starts. When the dumplings crisp up, whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt. Let the timer goes off. Carefully pour the eggs around the dumplings like you are tucking them into a golden bed. A sprinkle of black sesame seeds adds nutty aroma and visual appeal. Back in it goes for 10 more minutes at the same temperature. What emerges is pure breakfast perfection. The dumpling bottoms turn glassy crisp while the eggs puff up around them. That contrast of textures, absolute harmony. No messy stovetop flipping, no oil splatters, just effortless results that taste like your favorite dinner's best work. Serve it right in the foil for easy cleanup because great food shouldn't mean a mountain of dishes.